Hi, my name's Jackie, and in this video I'm going to talk with you about the 6 main problems that parents of autistic children face and how I can help you find the shortcuts from where you are now to optimizing your child's functioning and helping them realize their full potential. So the first challenge is that time is too tight for you to do the research because you are juggling dealing with a child with special needs in your family who has behaviors that some people find alienating and you find a little overwhelming in all likelihood. So the second challenge is that information is conflicting and inconsistent. Different experts tell you different things. Different parents that you talk to of other autistic kids tell you different things. Some things work for some people, some things don't work for other people. How do you know? So the third challenge is that experts and professionals who offer some kind of hope are often in fields that you know nothing about. And so there's a huge amount of investment in learning what those fields are about and in trying to judge which professional is appropriate for you to work with. So your fourth challenge is that a lot of the treatments that are out there outside of OHIP are so expensive that once you've chosen a treatment, you've got to spend a lot of time investing money, investing time, investing effort in it, and you have no way of knowing ahead of time if this is worth your while. And if you're halfway through and you're going, oh, I'm not sure this is right, you could have wasted a lot of money by making a mistake. So the fifth challenge is that you don't have and you desperately need a good set of tools for evaluating who to work with and evaluating the processes that they're using while they're using them so that you can know by a certain time and by certain symptom changes that what you're doing is actually making the kind of difference you want to see. So the sixth and last challenge that parents of autistics face is that the place to begin isn't clear. There are so many different options and different people are telling you different things, and how do you know where to start for your particular situation? So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to get the shortcuts that you need to facilitate and significantly speed your process towards optimizing your child's functions. So you're probably wondering why I can give you this kind of information. I have autism. A couple of years ago I was diagnosed with Asperger's, but essentially I started out as a baby with colic, who as a toddler rocked, droned, banged my head, chewed everything in sight. And in late grade school, I realized that there were things that made my symptoms a lot worse and things that made my symptoms a lot better. And I started becoming a detective, following those threads. What makes it better? What makes it worse? I put myself through university. I did pre-meds. I did a degree in environmental studies. And it's all been sort of focusing around research of what makes things better, what makes things worse in terms of personal trial and error, in terms of following the medical journals, in terms of scoping out all of the alternative medical practitioners and fields that are out there, and also in scoping out the do-it-yourself options. So in the next short while, I'm going to be producing a bunch of videos to support parents in the autistic spectrum, educators of autistics, people who are spending time around autistics in school or at work or in therapeutic settings. And I'm doing this in an effort to help you, to help me. What would be most useful is if you could leave comments about whether these 6 problems capture what your biggest problems are, and if not, if it doesn't catch all of them, add to my list. Tell me what else I need to put on this list. Thanks very much. So please leave me a comment below and I can comb through those bits of information you leave me and use it to help create something that's truly useful. leave a comment below.